Hello, sir. How are you doing?
Good, good. How are you? How are you doing?
I am
I'm
very
very
well,
good.
very well, very good. I would like to
Yeah,
thank you for taking out some time for your fans in the UAE and worldwide, despite of being on a super busy schedule. I am sure your
no
fans are
problem.
really excited and are looking out for this interview.
No, no, it's not a problem. It's a pleasure to connect with newer people in newer places, newer countries. No problem at all.
I'm sure it is. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is
Yeah.
Raghav. I am representing Alshots, the first English news aggregator in the Arab world, which is based out of UAE.
All right. All right.
Yeah, we have some super quick questions for you. Uh,
Okay.
so I think, shall we start?
Yes, please.
Uh, let's talk about the up and happening first. You
Hmm.
recently starred in Ashram. That was
Yeah.
your, best or super hit series, I can call it.
Yeah.
How was your
Yeah.
experience in doing the series and working with Bobby Deol and everyone else?
I think every time I do something, as an actor, is a lot of investment which goes into it. And when someone like Bobby and Prakash ji, Bobby sir, I mean, some great human being and with a lot of experience and stardom. So it was a lot to learn, jam and connect and everything. I think it
Uh,
was quite. This is the
Nothing.
world we live in, you know.
Yeah, nothing we can do about
People,
it. Yeah.
yeah, I mean, all these things just sort of anger me. I mean, the
No.
world is going down, but he's trying to show off his bike. I mean,
Yeah.
hello. I mean,
No.
kya craziness this
No,
world is,
no,
you know.
no.
And
That is
so
this
yeah,
thing
so
is
that
similar to
yeah,
what you show in ashram. This is the harsh reality we live in. Everyone knows about this, but we have to
yeah,
face it.
everyone knows, but they think that nothing will happen to them.
Yeah.
Because human race is so selfish. मेरे
Hmm.
को कुछ नहीं होगा. I will be fine. I mean,
Hmm.
Corona will happen to those. It will not come to me.
Yeah.
I am fine. I am this. I'm Batman.
Hmm.
Whatever. So anyway, so working with Bobby sir and Prakash ji, it's quite an experience to learn from Prakash ji as a director. He's made such brilliant and such powerful cinema in the past.
Hmm.
So, and I was in school when I had seen Bobby Deol's Barsat. So to be working with him and get to know him and then create something as special as Ashram where people are talking about our friendship
Yeah.
because somebody wrote like we look like two bodies, one soul.
Hmm.
So that came from this beautiful friendship which sort of blossomed.
Yeah. You have done a variety of projects from Mikhail in Kamine to Vishnu in Faltu and now Opa in Ashram. Uh,
Yeah.
I can see a wide variety in the roles you kind of portray. Which role
Hmm.
did you enjoy the most doing in it?
See, Kamine would be always be special because that was my first film with Vishal Bhardwaj.
Yeah.
And there are a lot of other roles which I really enjoyed. I enjoyed working with Rishi Ji a lot. So then when I did this film called D-Day, where I played his nephew Bhanja, that was
Hmm.
a great experience because I got to know Rishi Ji a lot. Uh, got to know Mr. Irfan Khan during that shoot. Then when I did Manto, it was great to know Nawaz Bhai. I had known him before, but it was great to work with him and Nandita Das. So everything is special in a way, but and also like Harry Met Sejal when I did with Shah Rukh Khan and Imtiaz Ali. I mean, another great experience to get to know actor of his caliber, Mr. Khan. One film which is really special to me is this film called Prague.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've heard of it,
I have
which
heard
is
of it.
yeah. So it plays on Netflix now,
Hmm.
and that film was one of my first films where I played a lead role. I think that's the only film which is available in Hindi film where I played a lead role. After that, though, it's been just whatever I've done. It's 10 minutes or 12 minutes or 15-minute parts, which is fine. But it's always great to play a lead role when you uh, get a lot of responsibility on your shoulder and you get an opportunity to create a graph of it and everything. So this one was special Prague. So through your audience, I might like to invite them to see if they want this film which plays on Netflix. That is really special to me. I worked a lot. I worked really hard on it. So yeah, that is one special film.
I would like to tell my audience one thing too. Chandan's character is also called Chandan in Prague. It is a very
Yeah,
special film to him, and I recommend everyone to watch it. As Chandan informed us, it is available on Netflix. Do watch it, guys.
yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you. Please do.
yeah. And Chanda, speaking about coronavirus and the current pandemic scenes, I heard you did some shooting in the lockdown period for some show.
Mm.
Can you tell me
Yeah.
about it?
So I shot this one feature film. It's called Wo Teen Din.
Okay.
It is directed by a first-time director called Raj Ashu. He's a music director also. He's a professional
Mhm.
musician. And I did this film with Sanjay Mishra.
So,
So Sanjay Mishra and myself, and there's another actor called Rajesh Sharma. So all of us were in Banaras in the height of lockdown, which was in July, and it was very very intense and very very so liberating experience, like Nirvana, because we were stuck at home for almost 4 months, and then I stepped out. I was scared, I had fears, I was afraid, but I was excited to be working again. So it was quite a mixed feeling, and I think that film has come out really, really well. And so that's the one. It's called Wo Teen Din.
okay, both team then. I
Yeah,
know you have done some filming in India and outside India as well. I think shooting in India and outside India in foreign countries is a different experience, kind of. Uh, Public
yeah.
reactions and everything, they are dispersed, I can say. What was the public reaction? How did you shoot film during the lockdown? Because there won't be much, would have been much crowd or anything or fanfare that you generally receive when you go out in India.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Uh, it was quite a it was a little mix because these people they obviously there's a lot of reaction. We were shooting in Banaras and a little away from Banaras there's a small town called Chunar,
Okay.
and so there were all kind of people. There were people who were really interested in what we were doing, and they were forgetting to wear masks and they were trying to come in. And then there were people who were not interested and they were really cool because they know that it's pandemic and we should not get in one space. So it was kind of mix up. But mostly I would say it's more difficult to shoot in such areas on a normal circumstances because
Mhm.
the people come in thousands. But
Okay.
this time we had to face few hundred people. I think it was much more peaceful than it ever was actually.
Okay. Okay. So, Chandan, I know you're from Delhi, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you know your way into the crowds. You know how to make your way out of the crowds and everything.
yeah,
This
yeah.
solitary experience in lockdown, you must have been bored or something. One day you felt, no, this has been it. Oh, I need
No,
to go
actually, you
out.
know what? To be very honest, I really enjoyed my lockdown.
Okay.
I like being alone. I have two, three cats.
Okay.
I I have my plants, my food, my music, my literature, my movies, and a lot of time because I moved into this new house a year and a half back,
Okay.
and I never got the opportunity to stay here for more than 2 weeks at a stretch because I'm constantly moving and shooting.
Hmm.
This is the first time I actually enjoyed my house. I did my own cooking. There was no schedule to what to do. There was no normalcy, which was really amazing.
Hmm.
आप कभी भी कुछ भी करते हो रात में मैगी
Yeah.
बना के खा ली बजे फिर 11 बजे उठे then you fixing up yourself a coffee, listening classical music and watering a plant. Then it started raining and Bombay in the rains is amazing. It's
Hmm.
monsoons.
Okay.
So yeah,
So,
all
if I
that
may,
really
I can say
helped.
this lockdown experience helped you
Really
discover
enjoyed. Yeah.
more yourself and your new home that you were missing out on.
Yeah, it was one of the most beautiful periods of my life.
Hmm.
काफी historical था, so good fun.
Okay. चंदन, आई नो, मतलब आपने ग्रेजुएशन करी थी, मैथ्स में आपने ग्रेजुएशन करी थी, एंड यू आर वन ऑफ द
Yeah,
क्रिएटिव माइंड्स जिनकी आईआईटी में जाने की इच्छा थी, मतलब यू वांटेड टू गो इनटू एरोनॉटिक्स एंड एवरीथिंग। सो
yeah.
लॉकडाउन, एवरीथिंग, मतलब आइडियाज की आपके पास आई नो भरमार है, बिकॉज आपने सो सिसली करके डायरेक्शन में भी एक हाथ आजमाया आपका, आपने एक्टिंग में
हाँ,
अपना भरपूर रूप दिखा रखा है। तो कुछ
हाँ.
एक आपका आइडिया या इंसाइट जो आप फ्यूचर में अभी करना चाह रहे हैं, या कुछ आप हमें दे सकते हैं कि ये मैं कर सकता
एक्चुअली
हूँ आगे।
मैं बिल्कुल मैं अपनी फिल्में बनाना चाहता हूँ.
ओके।
I want to make my own films and act, write, produce, direct, all that. I want to explore more. So I've been writing a lot of scripts. There's one script I have written which I'll might ask someone else to direct for me, which I will act in. Then there is another script I've written which I would like to act and direct. So yeah, I'm working a lot of scripts,
हम्म।
and because since I also have been directing plays for a long time on stage,
हम्म।
so I have a knack for creating stuff like directing, and so that's what I want to. So I know how to do direct a play. So
हम्म।
when I started making short films, I made shorts like, if you want to see, there some of them are available on YouTube.
हम्म।
There's a film called Hiroshima, then there's a film called Azad, so you can see it online. And yeah, so I've been writing. I'm really influenced by people like Guru Dutt and Raj Kapoor and uh, Vijay Anand, Manoj Kumar, Rudy Allen, and kind of actors who direct also. So that's my next sort of journey I want to take.
Okay, so what do you think, मतलब which platform is best for releasing such new projects or the films, because cinemas are closed right now and
Yeah,
OTT platforms are the only thing where can you go out. So
yeah.
OTT platforms are the best, or once cinemas open, cinemas will be your first choice.
See, OTT platforms are the best, I think, for someone like me. I'm not a huge Bollywood mega movie star. I don't think I can pull in a lot of audience to a theater. But what has happened because of the OTTs, actors like me can attempt to make film, and we can also get millions of people watch it on your phone and tablets and computers and televisions. So I think, yeah, OTT, of course, OTT, and there are a lot of platforms which have come up, and
Mm-hmm.
I am working with most of them as in the capacity of an actor, anyways. So yeah, there's MX Player, there's Amazon, Netflix, what else? Z5. These are the top four right now
Mm-hmm.
in India. So yeah, of course.
Yeah, I think
I think YouTube is also getting into content. I think they are also gonna make the YouTube originals.
yeah, that's I think gonna happen very soon. In your
Hmm.
Forbidden Love series, in which you are for the Rules of the Game episode, that is also on
Yeah,
Z5, if I'm
that's on
not wrong.
Z5, correct.
It's on
Yeah.
Z5. Can you tell me about that episode, something about it? What is it all about?
Uh, it's basically an anthology of four short films, small
Mm-hmm.
films, and the director like Priyadarshan, Mahesh Manjrekar, Anirudh Roy Choudhury, and Pradeep Sarkar. So it's on different aspects of modern love. So there is one I have acted in, which is with Ahana Kumra, and it's directed by Anirudh Roy Choudhury, who has directed Pink previously in Hindi. So, and yeah, so we are playing this modern couple in living in a high rise, very upper class, but the love is missing from their life. And the film is about how they rekindle their love and passion and everything. So yeah, it's modern age love story.
Okay, so it is a modern age love story. Love
Yeah.
stories, I think you have done some numbers, good numbers in love stories. If not the main lead character, then on the sidelines. So, can I say you're a romantic actor or a more of a drama person?
See, actually, I've done a lot of drama in my life in films as an actor, but I myself is yet to explore the romantic side of me as an actor. That's why most of the scripts which I'm writing have dipped in romance and love and longing and pain and estrangement and So yeah, I think I'm quite a romantic person. The audience has yet to, I've yet to do something where the audience will go, wow, he's so lovely, he's so romantic. But mostly my job is to kill people, and I'm like a fraud or a con man, a rapist, all these bad guys I play. But I'm unlike any of them. I actually quite a, yeah, romantic person.
Okay. So Chandan, like they say, bad guys are sometimes the real heroes in movies, and I think you played your
Yeah.
part like that. Uh, Coming to the next question, there's this debate going on about newcomers in Bollywood and everything about the industry.
Hmm.
Uh, some youngsters who every year come to Mumbai to begin their
Yeah.
movie career, film career, would be the most, interested to find an answer, or the most interested or the most concerned about this thing.
Hmm.
You are the one person who have, climbed the stairs one by one, and not jumped on the rocket to glide
Hmm.
away to the success story. You have
Yeah.
done, few films in 1 year, few in the next year, and few in the succeeding years. So what can you say to the newcomers as a message? Okay, you should come, you should not come. This place is for newcomers. Is Bollywood for
Uh,
newcomers? Is
yeah.
Bollywood welcoming newcomers, or
Yeah, yeah,
patriarchy
yeah. I
and hierarchy?
mean, yeah, yeah. It is all this created. People are creating this image that Bollywood is a scary place to be in, and people are. It's a very dark place, and there is a lot of nepotism, and nobody gets job, and it's people are सबको दबा के रखा जाता है. But there is nothing like that. There is a way to this madness also. Everything has a way to do it, and I think our film industry is like any other film industry. Like this whole idea of nepotism, like the people are questioning why you're letting your son to become an actor or this thing. But I think it's the audience at the end of the day who have to take the call. Anybody can make their son and turn their daughters and son into. They can get the first break in movies or whatever they are doing. But it's the audience who will see the talent and then they will appreciate. There are, I don't want to take names, but there are people who are from film families and they are doing really well, not because they just happen to be someone else's daughter or son. Or it's just that audience really like them. That's why they are here. Because cinema is a it's a medium where audience has enough part to play. You buy tickets, you buy hampers, you buy tickets to go and watch a show. So you are endorsing something. It's not अगर आप ये मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना कि आ, ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती.
Yeah.
अगर ऑडियंस को अगर पसंद है तो पसंद है. इसमें आउटसाइडर इनसाइडर नेपोटिज्म कुछ काम नहीं आता है. और दूसरा ये है कि हाँ बिल्कुल अगर आप एक्टिंग करना चाहते हैं, फिल्मों में आना चाहते हैं तो बिल्कुल आइए. दिस प्लेस इज ओपन टू ऑल. The only thing is that you have to know your craft really well. There is no shortcut to success. क्योंकि हमारे देश में लोग को लगता है कि एक्टिंग कोई भी कर सकता है. कोई भी खड़ा हो जाएगा बोलेगा कि आई वांट टू बी एन एक्टर. But acting is a spiritual journey. It takes, like you said, I'm going step by step. So that's the way I took the long road. So I
Hmm.
want to improve as an actor. I want to improve as a human being, as a traveler, as a cook, husband, lover, son, whatever it is.
Mhm.
I want to experience it all. Then only I can bring it to the audience. अब मैंने कुछ सीखा नहीं, पढ़ा नहीं, तो मैं क्या शेयर करूंगा आपके साथ. अगर मैं क्लास में एक टीचर आता है और वो सबका फेवरेट टीचर बन जाता है बिकॉज ही हैज अ नॉलेज टू शेयर. सो आई हैव टू गैदर ऑल्सो फ्रूट्स एंड ऑफ नॉलेज to share it with you, the audience. If I have nothing in my vessel, because acting, it's my body is my vessel, my mind, how I feel. अगर मैंने एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं किया है तो मैं कैसे आपके साथ नया नया रोल शेयर कर पाऊंगा. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग जर्नी. आप बिल्कुल आइए, एक्टिंग करिए, लेकिन अपने आप को वक्त दीजिए, समय दीजिए. ये बहुत साल लगते हैं इसमें कुछ बनने के लिए. शायद आप आएंगे, आपकी एक दो फिल्में आएंगी, चल जाएंगी, निकल जाएंगी और आप हिट हो जाएंगे, लेकिन उसके बाद 7 साल, 7 ईयर इज इच बोलते हैं ना, 7 साल में दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाता है.
Okay. So Bollywood is welcoming for newcomers. Is the message you're giving
Yeah,
here?
of course. Of
Okay.
course, everybody just train yourself, be positive. There's nothing like that. बट अपनी कला सीख के आइए, सिर्फ एक्टिंग ही नहीं, म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन, सिनेमेटोग्राफी, साउंड एडिटिंग, जो भी कला में आपको रुचि है उसको सीखिए अच्छे से और फिर आइए और लाइन में लग जाइए सबके साथ.
Okay. Struggle is the real deal here.
Oh
So
yeah, yeah.
Chandan, do you ever wish to go for a Hollywood approach? Have you ever dreamt of it?
Yeah. Of course, I want to work with. It's my ambition and it's my cherished desire to work with some great directors of the West,
Okay.
whosoever it is. And so I keep watching their films and I follow a lot of actors, their work, and I feel we are also as good as them as actors. You just need to be nurtured by a filmmaker, someone like a Wes Anderson or a Woody Allen or you know Dennis Villeneuve or whosoever, any director. So yeah, of course, I cherish the desire and a burning desire to be to be working with foreign directors, actors,
Directors.
everyone.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Chandan, for giving these many answers. I only have a few questions left with me now. I won't take much of your time.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
your favorite movie from the past 1.5 years, because this half year I cannot count it as a year, a part of year. So I would say from 2019, a movie from Hollywood and a movie from Bollywood, please.
I love all Gurudutt films. I would say Kagaz Ke Phool and Pyasa.
Okay. A movie from the recent past, from last one and a half year, something.
From recent past, I saw this Malayali film called Kumbalangi Nights.
Okay.
I don't know if you've heard of it. There's a film called Kumbalangi Nights. It's a
Mhm.
Malayali film, which is I think I really liked in recent past.
What do you know about Dubai, and do you ever want to do a film in Dubai, shooting in and around Dubai, within marvelous infrastructure and everything there?
Yeah. I have never been to Dubai, but
Okay.
I've given a chance. I have a lot of friends who live there, who are working there.
Mhm.
So hopefully one day I can come visit them and shoot something.
Okay. So I think that's it for today. We had Mr. Chandan Roy Sanyal with us, the marvelous actor
And
who has
sorry for my internet, but
no issues, Chandan. This is the new normal we are all living in. Uh, I
yeah,
think it will get better with time. Only time can tell us. Thank you
sure.
for giving us your valuable time. Uh,
Thank
I
you for
hope
having
we
me.
can connect again in someday near future.
Sure,
So,
sure.
thank you so much, Chandan. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you, Raghav.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.